Phase 6, the transparent frontier.
The future is sovereign. Transparency is the currency. Transparent partnerships mean a transparent world. True economic intelligence is shared intelligence. Educating the future guardians of global trade.
Growing together in mind and machine symbiosis.
The new rulebook for a resilient business world.
Expansion without ghosts. Integrity to the stars.
The final goal for a fair global commerce.
Equality and access achieved. Biophilic finance. An economy that serves life.
Universal prosperity is finally within reach.
Seeing clearly. No more ghosts in the machine.
Technology with a pulse. Intelligence with a soul.
Humanity first. Collective wisdom. The power of a united network. Shared success. The tide that lifts every boat. Protecting the vulnerable with the power of logic. Market peace. The end of corporate espionage. Deep security. Integrity at the atomic level. No more invisible hand stealing your work. The ghost is gone. The new dawn of intelligence. Bright and pure.
Join the movement. Find your alpha. Unmask the ghost. Stay sharp. Stay Sentinel. The motto for a new age of prosperity. The world of TradingMaster AI. TradingMaster AI. Unmask the ghost.